In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Evernote from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To uninstall Evernote, you need to go to Control Panel on your Windows computer. If you don't have Control Panel, just go to Start menu here and then search for Control Panel, and hit is, just click on it. Now under Control Panel, look for Programs and Features. If you click on this will list all the programs that you have installed on your computer, and from the list look for Evernote, and as you can see, Evernote is here. To uninstall this program, just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see we have this option to uninstall on top here. Alternatively, if you don't have this option, now just right click on Evernote program, and you should see we have the option to uninstall. By clicking on it and confirming yes, now you'll be taken to this window where you have to confirm if indeed you want to uninstall Evernote. Proceed and click on OK, and this will remove Evernote program together with its files from your computer. As you can see, the shortcut program that was here is no longer in existence. So that's how you can successfully and permanently uninstall Evernote using the correct method from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.